Everyone talks about the money lost, the debt, the casinos, but there's something deeper no one tells you about gambling addiction. It's not just about losing money, it's about losing yourself. In this video, I'm sharing the things I wish someone told me when I was stuck in it, and what you need to know if you're trying to quit. People often think gamblers are just greedy, always chasing the next big win. But for most of us, it was never really about the money. It was about escape, about numbing pain, silencing anxiety, and filling a deep, aching void inside. For me, gambling was the one place I felt like I had control, even when everything else in my life was falling apart. Every loss wasn't just about losing cash, it was my self-worth, my trust, my time, slowly slipping away. The real addiction was emotional. Gambling became my medicine, my secret coping mechanism, the only way I knew to cope with life's chaos and pain. Just stop gambling. People say it like it's easy, as if you can simply flip a switch and walk away. But the truth is, gambling addiction is far more complicated. It actually rewires your brain, hijacking your reward system and making it incredibly hard to resist the urge. The worst part? It hides in plain sight. On the outside, you might look completely normal, holding down a job, smiling with friends, appearing to function just fine. But inside, you're spiraling, fighting a battle no one else can see. I quit 100 times in my head, promising myself it was over. But the urges always came back stronger than before. I felt weak, broken, and ashamed. But now I understand. That's the addiction talking, not me. What no one tells you is how gambling isolates you, and how it slowly eats away at the people you love. You lie, you hide, you push people away to protect the secret, thinking you're shielding them from pain. But the truth is, every secret, every excuse creates distance. You miss birthdays, dinners, and important moments all because you're chasing that next win, and by the time you realize what's happening, you've already hurt them too. Gambling doesn't just take your money. It takes your integrity, your presence, your ability to connect with those who matter most. I lost more than cash. I lost trust, respect, and precious time. And rebuilding that takes more than quitting. It takes honesty, patience, and a lot of hard work. Here's what no one tells you about recovery. It's not about being perfect. It's about being honest. The urges still come sometimes. But now I have tools, support, a plan, a reason. You don't have to be strong all the time. You just have to stay honest, connected, committed to one more day gamble-free. If you're struggling with gambling, you're not broken. You're human, and you're not alone. Join the Bet-Free community. Subscribe for weekly support, stories, and tools to help you quit gambling and take your life back. No shame, no judgment, just truth. You've got this.